Hey, what's going on? Aaron here. Hope you're doing well. If you're watching this video right now, you might be checking out this website here called Fat Coupon, and maybe you're wondering whether this is a good website for you to actually save some money and make some money on as well. All right, so let's check out Fat Coupon. Let's find out whether this is a good use of your time. Is it a good way to make some extra cash, or should you be looking at other things out there? All right. Now, at any time, if you want to get my favorite way to get to $5,000 to $10,000 a month, 100% from home online, just click the link below, and I'll send you my favorite strategy straight to your email. You can check that out if you want. Now, I've reviewed a lot of different strategies, websites, programs, courses on this channel, and some of them are great and you can make a lot of money. Some of them so-so, and some of them are just an absolute waste of time. So let's check out Fat Coupon to see how this stacks up against everything else out there. All right. Now, Fat Coupon is basically a pretty decent cashback website. All right, and for the most part, you can access it from a lot of countries in the world, right? And if you look at their access to the stores, it's actually a pretty decent amount of stores that they have access to. So obviously they've got all the big names like Amazon, Walmart, Sam's Club, Adidas, Nike, Kiehl's, right? Macy's, Reebok, Saks, things like that. Neiman Marcus, Crocs, okay, Shein, right? So that's pretty good. And some of these cashbacks are actually not bad. I mean, Shein is 15% cashback. Crocs was 16% cashback, Neiman Marcus 8% cashback, but also you have to understand that Black Friday is coming up, so that's why these cashback amounts are quite high. But after Black Friday, and at the time of recording this video, this is why it looks like it's so high. It's usually much less than this, okay? So after Black Friday, you'll see that it's 7%. 1% savings is like nothing, guys, okay? 1%, 2%, 3%. So let's not look at the orange, because that's actually a pretty unrealistic way of looking at it, because for the most part, you're not going to save this much on a regular basis, right? This is only because Black Friday is coming up. Now, but the nice thing is that, they do have access to quite a lot of stores. So if you look at fashion and clothing, the category, for example, they've got some pretty big ones here. Obviously, Nike, Bloomingdale's, ASOS. I shop on ASOS a lot, right? Columbia Sportswear, Shein, Disney, Levi's. And then you can click on more, and it goes down, and there's quite a lot here, right? But generally speaking, the cashback is not that high, right? Again, 4%, 3%, 1%. So, you're not really saving a ton of money on this. You're saving a little bit of money, and it's better than not saving any money at all. But is it, really worth your time to shop on this? Well, let's talk about that a little bit later, okay? This is the entertainment technology section, HP, Best Buy, Canon, Woot, Staples, AT&T, not bad, right? So some pretty big names right here. Bang & Olufsen, that's great. Samsung, okay? Vitamax, Jabra. So you get the idea, right? And the way it works is you would click on this link. It will lead you to the Jabra store or the Back Market store. And when you make a purchase through their, basically this is like an affiliate link, you will get a discount on how much you're making. Or what will happen is you pay full price, and then they will give you back that money, and they will add up into your account. Okay, I hope that makes sense, right? But it is not super high. If you are only getting 1% cash back, 2%, 3% cash back, right? You're saving just a teeny weeny bit on every single bit that you're shopping on. So this only really makes sense if you do a lot of shopping online anyway. Then maybe you might be able to make a little bit of money back. All right. Now, some other ways that you can earn from this website is to invite your friends. All right. If you click on invite friends here, you can basically earn $10 if you refer people to your referral link on Fat Coupon. The only thing is that what they don't say here is you don't get your $10 straight away. So what happens is if you share your link, okay, so you invite your friends through your invite friend link of Fat Coupon. They click on it, they register. You don't get $10 straight away. The way it works is you only get $10 when your friend gets to make or save over $50 on Fat Coupon. So that could take a while, and it has to happen within a year, which is which is not bad, all right? But they have to really be using Fat Coupon a lot, all right, and purchasing through it a lot to be able to add up to $50, right? And then you get $10 directly from Fat Coupon. So I would say inviting your friends is not bad, but it's not you're not going to see tons of money coming in that way, because your friends have to use it a lot too and save up to over $50 worth of 1, 2, 3, 4% deals, right, before you will actually make your $10 bonus. All right, but the nice thing is that instead of having to come to their stores or their deals or their home section right here, you can actually download a browser extension, which is pretty cool. All right, so the way that it works is you download this Chrome extension, they'll give you a $5 bonus, right, which is quite nice. Okay, and the way it works is every time you jump onto a store that is on their list, like Walmart or Crocs or Blue Apron or whatever it is, okay, then they will basically, it will pop up in the Chrome extension that, it will register and say, okay, now you're on the Walmart store and you've got an account with Fat Coupon, you can save some money on this Walmart store right here. So, and this is the percentage that you'll save on this particular product, which I think is pretty cool, because if you have to constantly come back to Fat Coupon in order to save money, that will kind of suck. It's very difficult to shop that way. But if you have a browser extension or even a mobile app where you can just shop wherever you want, and if there is a chance for you to save money and Fat Coupon can help you to save that money, then it's not bad, right? So that saves a lot of time, I think, and you'll use it a lot more. So definitely download their browser extension on Chrome if you're thinking of using Fat Coupon. Okay, so ways you can make money. You can make back some cash through the shopping that you do, all right, which is not bad, right? Just a little bit there. You can also they have these free tasks. As you're using the website, you'll see them pop up, download this Chrome extension. You get a $5 bonus for signing up. They have a one-time kind of bonus that they give you for doing certain things, right? And you can add a little bit of money. They're not a ton of money, but a little bit of money there, right? They'll show you the coupon codes as you're scrolling because of the Chrome extension, and they even have exclusive Amazon coupon codes where you can save a little bit more on Amazon through Fat Coupon, which is pretty cool. Okay, so how do they pay out, and is this a good use of your time? Okay, so the way it works is you can get paid out through what's called a prepaid MasterCard. So they send it to you in the mail, and you can also exchange it for an Amazon gift card as well. But the threshold is pretty high. They have a $50 threshold. That means that you must save altogether up to more than $50 before you can withdraw that money. Okay, so they do give you $5 for signing up as a bonus. If you download the Chrome extension, you get another $5, so that's $10, which means that you have to actually shop and make sure that you earn more than $40 on all these stores before you can actually hit your threshold of $50. Okay, so it does take some time. You're gonna have to be somebody that does quite a lot of shopping anyway. All right, so look, it really depends on what kind of person that you are. If you're here and you're checking out Fat Coupon because you're someone who loves deals and you do a lot of shopping anyway and you just want to save a little bit of money, then it might be a pretty cool website for you to use, all right, because they have access to quite a lot of retailers, a lot of international retailers as well. So the chances that you'll shop at some of these stores is pretty high. Like I buy from Kiehl's, I buy from The Body Shop, I buy from Amazon, I buy from Walmart, I buy from Adidas, right? And you might too, right? It depends on what kind of shopping habits you have, okay? Canon, my camera's a Canon, so I might be able to save some money there, which is cool. But again, some of them, you don't save that much money. I mean, literally, this is like 1%, Newegg is 0.5%. I mean, how much money can you really save, right? But maybe over a long period of time, if you shop a lot and you have the Chrome extension, you might be able to save a little bit of money here and a little bit of money there. So what I would say is that it's a cool cashback website, but with all things cashback, you're not really saving a ton of money. It's better than not saving any money at all, right? But are you proactively making money? No, unfortunately you're not, all right? But overall, as a cashback website, I would say that it's pretty decent. Okay, they've got a pretty good collection of retailers here. They've got the Chrome extension, they've got the bonuses. The threshold is pretty high though, $50 is quite high. It'll take you a while to hit that. You'd have to do a lot of shopping with your own money before you can hit 40 or $50. But overall, as a cashback website, it's pretty decent. All right, definitely legit, very well used, and you can check it out if you want, fatcoupon.com. All right, now if you're watching this video right now and you're someone who is not necessarily looking to save on every purchase, you actually want to make money. There's a difference, okay? So cashback website helps you to save money. if you're spending it, okay? But it doesn't allow you to proactively generate income like I mentioned before. So if you're watching this video and you're like, well, Aaron, I want to generate income. I want to proactively generate more income for myself and my family so I can do the things I want. Travel, quit my full-time job, maybe retire, whatever your goals are, right? And the thing is, if you're online, there are great ways to do that, okay? And I've reviewed quite a lot of them on my channel, right? But my favorite way for a beginner to get from zero to their first $5,000 to $10,000 a month proactively, right, is a very specific strategy. So if you want to check that out, click the link below and I'll send you my free strategy, my favorite strategy really, to your email. You can check it out if you would like, all right? I hope you enjoyed this review of Fat Coupon. See you on another video review. Take care.